Hello everyone, let's start with the next topic today. The first topic for today is subtraction on the number line. So let us see how subtraction of the numbers on the number line can take place. It is just like counting backward. First, we'll jump on the first number and then we'll count backward. Here I have taken two numbers 16 minus 7. So what will you do first? First of all, draw the number line. Draw them into equal parts. Now the first number is 16. So we'll start from here 16. Okay, first of all 0. Till 16 we have a number. Okay, now start from here 16 and move 7 steps backward. Count 7 steps backward. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Draw the arrows like this. Now see where you have reached after counting or moving 7 steps backward. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You reached at a number 9. So it means 16 minus 7 equals to 9. So to subtract any number on the number line, first of all you need to draw a line on that number. Then from that number कुछ स्टेप्स आप बैकवर्ड ले लीजिए जितना नंबर आपको उसमें से माइनस करना है. सो हेयर वी नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 16 एंड 7. सो 16 से स्टार्ट किया और 7 स्टेप्स हम बैकवर्ड चले गए. सो वी रीच एट द नंबर 9. सो 16 माइनस 7 इक्वल्स टू 9. Next is sum of the subtraction facts. We have some of the subtraction facts given. First fact is by subtracting 1 from a number we get previous number. It means अगर हम किसी नंबर में से 1 को subtract कर रहे हैं, so we are getting that previous number. Let us take example. If I write here 8 और 8 में से अगर मैं 1 subtract कर रही हूँ, so I am getting 8 minus 1 equals to 7. So after subtracting 1 from number 8, we get a number 7, which is a previous number. Let's take one more example. If I write here 12 and subtract 1 from 12, what I get? I get a number 11. So 11 is a previous number of 12. Next is when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. It means जो भी number आपको given है, जब आप उसी number को same number से subtract कर रहे हैं तो आपको क्या answer मिल रहा है? You are getting the difference 0. Like this, if I write here 10 and subtract 10 from 10, what I get? We get a number 0. If I write here 15 और 15 में से अगर मैं 15 subtract कर रही हूँ, so I am getting a difference 0. So this is when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. Third subtraction fact is subtracting 0 from a number means no subtraction. The difference is the number itself. It means अगर आप 0 को किसी भी नंबर से subtract कर रहे हैं, it means वहाँ पे कोई subtraction नहीं हो रहा है. उसमें आपको difference जो मिलेगा वो the same number ही मिलेगा जिसमें से आप 0 को subtract कर रहे हैं. For example, 11 minus 0 equals to 11. So 0 is subtracted from 11. The difference is the number itself, which is 11. Likewise, 18 minus 0 equals to 18. So 0 is subtracted from 18. So here is no subtraction. No subtraction takes place. The difference is the number itself. Next is subtracting numbers horizontally. And we have one more topic, subtracting numbers vertically. So first of all, we'll learn subtraction of the numbers in the horizontal way. So this is a horizontal in which the numbers are written like this. So what we'll do, we'll subtract these numbers. 10 minus 3 equals to 7. 7 minus 6 equals to 1. 9 minus 9 equals to 0. And 8 minus 1 equals to 7. So this is the way that you will subtract the numbers horizontally. Next we have subtracting numbers vertically. Here I have written two examples. First is 3 minus 2 equals to 1. In the previous classes or in the previous topics you learned how to add the numbers vertically. In the same way the subtraction will also take place. So here it is 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So write here 3. Here you write 2. यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा आपका subtraction minus. तो 3 minus 2 equals to 1. Now draw the lines. Start from here. You will reach at this point. 1 will come here. Okay. Now start from here. 3. 3. Next is minus. Next is 2. Okay, so like these we are left with equals to. So here equals to will come. So these like this you have to draw the lines in the shaded portion or in the dotted way. Next is 8 minus 3 equals to 5. Do it in the same manner. Write here 8. Write here 3. Here minus will come. 8 minus 3 equals to 5. Okay, so start from here. First of all 5. 5. Next we have equals to. Then 3. Then we have subtraction. And lastly we are left with 8. So like this you have to draw the lines in the shaded portion in the shaded way and you will subtract the numbers vertically. I hope you understood. Thank you.